And now the weather report for Okinawa. Due to the influence of the rainy season front, the Okinawa main island area is cloudy and some areas are raining. On the 9th, due to the influence of the rainy season front, it will be cloudy and rainy, with some thunderstorms. On the 10th, due to the influence of the rainy season front, it will be cloudy and rainy. Points to note regarding weather changes. In the Okinawa main island area, it will be rainy at times on the 9th, with thunderstorms in some places. In the central and southern parts of the island and in the northern part, depending on the degree of development of rain clouds, there is a risk of heavy rain of a warning level. And now the forecast for the Okinawa region. The rainy season front is extending from a low pressure system east of Japan to the Okinawa region. The Okinawa region will be cloudy and rainy with some thunderstorms. From the 9th to the 10th, the Okinawa region will be cloudy and rainy with some thunderstorms. Due to the influence of the front and the humid air flowing into it, heavy rain is expected in some areas of the Sakishima Islands on the 9th. In coastal waters, the Okinawa main island area and the Daito Islands area will be slightly high and with swells. The Sakishima Islands will have slightly high waves with swells on the 10th. And now a closer look at the weather for Sunday, June 9th. The sunrise will be at 5:36 a.m. A morning thunderstorm in one or two spots, otherwise considerably cloudiness, with a high of 84 degrees Fahrenheit. Precipitation is 55%, thunderstorms is 33%, rain accumulation is 2.6 millimeters. The UV index is moderate with a score of 3. Winds are from the west by southwest, with wind speeds of 10.4 miles per hour and wind gusts of 25.3 miles per hour. Tonight, the sunset will be at 7:21 p.m. It will be overcast with rain and a thunderstorm mainly later, and a high of 73 degrees Fahrenheit. Precipitation will be 99%. Thunderstorms is 59. Rain accumulation is 19 millimeters. Winds are from the south by southwest, with wind speeds of 10.4 miles per hour and wind gusts of 21.9 miles per hour. On Monday, June 10th, the sunrise will be at 5:36 a.m. It will be cloudy, with morning rain, some heavy, and a thunderstorm, becoming breezy in the afternoon, with occasional rain and a thunderstorm. Precipitation is 97%. Thunderstorms is 58%. Rain accumulation is 18.7 millimeters. The UV index is moderate with a score of 3. Winds are from the west, with wind speeds of 13.8 miles per hour and wind gusts of 23 miles per hour. That night, the sunset will be at 7:21 p.m. It will be cloudy with a thunderstorm on the prowl and a high of 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Precipitation is 40%. Thunderstorms is 24%. Rain accumulation is 1.2 millimeters. Winds are from the west, with wind speeds of 5.8 miles per hour and wind gusts of 18.4 miles per hour. For Tuesday, June 11th, the sunrise will be at 5:36 a.m. It will be cloudy with a thunderstorm in one or two spots, with a high of 79 degrees Fahrenheit. Precipitation is 40%. Thunderstorms is 24%. Rain accumulation is 1.7 millimeters. The UV index is moderate with a score of 4. Winds are from the northeast, with wind speeds of 6.9 miles per hour and wind gusts of 17.3 miles per hour. That night, the sunset will be at 7:22 p.m. It will be cloudy with a couple of showers late and a high of 76 degrees Fahrenheit. Precipitation will be 90%. Thunderstorms will be 26%. The rain accumulation is 5.4 millimeters, with winds from the east by northeast and wind speeds of 6.9 miles per hour, with wind gusts of 19.6 miles per hour. And now the news from Okinawa. Okinawa's Minato Daito Island, struggling with population decline, breaks ground on public housing to accommodate migrants, building 4 1 LDK units and promoting migrant marriages. On May 15th, Minami Daito Village in Okinawa Prefecture held a groundbreaking ceremony in Ikenosawa for the construction of 4 houses to encourage migrants to settle there. Around 20 people, including Mayor Arakaki and those involved in the construction, participated and prayed for the safety of the construction. The homes will be 1 bedroom, 1 dining kitchens, and are scheduled for completion around summer. This is the first time the village has built housing for migrants. The village hopes that by building these homes, it will encourage migrants to settle there. Many small remote islands, including the village, are currently experiencing population decline, making accepting immigrants a challenge. The village's population has been declining since peaking at 1,640 in 1980, and as of the end of April this year, it was down to 1,204. The National Institute of Population and Social Security Research predicts that the population will fall to 1,088 in 2035 and to 953 in 2050. Minami Daito is about, and construction costs are higher than other remote islands, according to the village. Quote, "If you build with reinforced concrete, it will cost nearly 3 times as much as one on the main island. As there are no private rental apartments, the village emphasizes that the local government needs to develop public housing for migrants. The total project cost approximately 110 million yen and will be funded by a lump sum grant. The village has also started a migrant marriage project to support marriages between women who wish to move to the island and men who live on the island, and hopes to actively welcome migrants and encourage them to settle there. Minami Daito Village has not been proactive in accepting new residents until now because we have not been able to secure housing. If we lose any more people, the lives of the people who currently live there will become unstable." He then said, "Accepting immigrants is one solution to the problem of declining population. We would like to welcome as many people as possible who are interested in island life. Eligible residents and conditions will be determined in the future. For inquiries about permanent residence promotion housing, please contact the Housing Consultation Section in Minami Daito Village Civil Engineering Division at 098-022-0238.